Welcome everybody back to Milo's new adventure, guys. We're out here at the Mount Dora boat ramp this morning checking it out. Oh yeah. Let's see what's going to go down here this morning. It's Saturday morning out here. Well, I'm glad the Mount Dora ramp is open. They had it closed last weekend. But I don't see them closing it again, I don't think so. This is our home here for a while, guys. Till we get back to Edstone. Alright, he's on out. The lake is open. I talked to Fish and Wildlife yesterday. Or they opened it Friday morning, I guess. Yesterday. There he goes, guys. Yeah. The guy's going to go park this truck here with this trailer. I see him over there making his way back. Kind of getting the stink eye over there a little bit, but that's, you know, people just curious, that's all. All right, he's making his way back. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. Well, the sun hasn't made it up yet. It's working on it. They got some big shindig going on downtown Mount Dora this weekend. Last weekend it was Tavares. This weekend is Mount Dora. And they got a lot of the roads closed getting in here. We'll just have to see what happens here, guys. Okay. It looks like they're making a move for it. Uh-oh. Bring it in here, Big Daddy. Bring it in. Oh, yeah. Bring it in. I think these guys are making a move for it, I think. Pontoon almost in the water. Oh, just pulled it back up. All right, we got a Nautic star over there. Very cool. As you can tell, everybody's got their jackets on this morning a little bit. Getting cool here in Florida again. Coming to the end of October, guys, so I guess it's about time it starts getting a little cool here in Florida. All right. I talked to the Fish and Game Commission yesterday, and they say they do have the dock open and the lake is open, but it's supposed to be a no wake zone. That's what the lady was telling me. Getting that already there. They almost out of here. We're getting it all laid out there. Oh wow. Right here, guys. I don't know if you heard it. You should have heard that. It's pretty quiet. Right here beside of us. He's getting pretty close to that dock over there. Whoa. Yeah, I guess the end of the water, guys. Stay in.
Hey, she's floating. We're good.
Ah, you see that fish jump right there? Trailer out, guys. Now he's got his journey. It's a ways over there. He'll be back in probably about 15 minutes or so. Trying to work it back there. I think I'd back it around the corner out there. People out walking this morning. Yeah, as the day gets later, there'll probably be people everywhere over here with what's going on down there. All right. Yeah, they got the road shut down over there. Well, they're making it back to the boat over there.
Your brother got kids? Not my brother. Oh,
I said his nephew
and his kids. Oh.
Yeah, he made it back, guys.
Okay, off.
I feel like I'm gonna spill my coffee everywhere.
Boy, it's damp out here this morning. Real damp. A little bit cool.
She's like, I don't want to get wet, Ma. You're gonna fucking truck.
Florida is kind of strange. It's either, well, to me, it's either really hot or all of a sudden it's really cold. It's a different type of weather, that's for sure. You're not used to it.
I got the weight.
All right, what's happening over there?
Go into the second one. Switch. Forward. Got it? Get that one. You know, you're gonna have to follow it. You know, I know.
Sorry, with all the green stuff.
Trying to get going there, I guess, guys. Hit the old lake out there.
I told her I never want to buy a
Well, I see the sun over there a little bit. It'll be coming up. Didn't really know what we'd get into over here today. I didn't know anything was going on in Mount Dora. you know, until I got up there and they had the roads all closed. Usually this time of the year, there's always something going on, though. Just like a lot of places, they have their fall festivals and all that stuff. That's kind of what they're doing. I hadn't really heard of anything going on down there, but soon you'll see a bunch of the boats coming in, and people will start decorating their boats up for Christmas and all kinds of stuff. That's an interesting time of the year, guys. I remember standing here about 2 years ago, and they had a boat parade up here, which was really neat. I got some of that, but they had music playing on the boats, all kinds of stuff going on. So that time of the year is pretty interesting. All right, I guess I'm kind of wrapping that up there and getting all the electronic stuff on anymore, I guess. Used to be you just jump in the boat and go, but I guess he's hooking up some kind of thing up there.
Oh, she was trying. She walked around the whole boat trying to figure out how to get on board.
Just to be able to fit your fingers in the hole. Yeah, I don't think that would fit her at all. You want to get a goggles. Oh, yeah. It's going to take a lot of money. I know. Take those things. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening over there. I think the guy tried to take off and still had it tied, I think, is what's happening. You know?
Yacht music. It is fucking hilarious. Man, I have to.
Okay.
Izzy. Yeah. He took Slipknot. And you can understand the words, and I'm like, wow, this kind of really sounds good. Holy cow. Oh, he took Kiss, You're Right For Me. Right For You, You're Right For Me. I just heard it this song. He's like, what if this you took to a dance? Like a slow dance. It was so fun.
Stay on out of there, guys. This air like this reminds me of the air up north, Pennsylvania, when I was a kid growing up, you know. It does remind me of that nice fall air up there. Great times up there, that's for sure. It would be just before it started snowing. Yeah, a lot of fun up there. A lot of boats over there, guys. A lot of boats. A lot of boats. Pretty good sized boat there. Get the old rope hooked up. Looks like he's going to do the old rope trick. I see that guy over there with that little kid. Better be careful like that. He let the little boy go down there by that water by himself. Well, I've seen alligators laying right down there by that water. So, I don't know.
Yeah, I come here almost every day.
Oh, so you know.
Okay. Oh yeah. Nice big boat there. Wow. That's almost like the one that went out a minute ago. This old rope trick, guys. That's a good way to do it.